what has been the best benefit of being a landlord?
There's a really cool level of pride that you get when you do own properties and you're providing the home to somebody else. And I think that's just a ton of feel goods that happen that go along with that, especially somebody who wants to re-sign and love to re-sign with you for another year. So I've really enjoyed that. I've also really enjoyed the connections that you make in real estate. People like you, John, that are in it for the right reasons, that are taking care of people. And I think there's a level of I met somebody a couple of weeks ago that his number one goal is to humanize real estate. So when you're talking with the city, a lot of times they want to put properties and rental properties into this box. Like it has to have certain things to it, but people occupy spaces for multiple different reasons. And I think it's remembering that real estate has that people approach, that humanized approach. And so being able to build relationships with not only your renters, but other industry professionals has been probably one of my favorite things of being in this business.
Nice.
If I said that properly.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it is a people business. I mean, especially now as it's going more and more to technology and there's different businesses that are trying to displace real estate agents, property managers, different things in this space. So to have an approach that's recognizing the humanity in the people that we're dealing with is really important.
Yeah, it's an emotional business, and to forget about that as we're trying to scale business and improve on our technologies would be a mistake.
Yeah. Want to hear more on this topic? Click the link below for the full episode of Maximizing Your Property Value.